studying abroad isn't only about lectures, it's also about exploring life outside the classroom. Guess what's the best part of studying in southern Germany? Mountains are always so close. I love hiking since I was a kid. The climb can be tough, but the feeling at the top totally worth it. For me, hiking is more than just a study break. It's exploring nature, finding new views, and seeing Germany from a different side. My personal tip for the hiking, always bring enough water and pack a light snack, for example, cucumbers or some fruits. And it's your first time on a trail, don't go alone. Hiking with a friend is more safe and way more fun. Every trail reminds me